Today we will write a program to print all prime numbers up to 100. So can you add one hash and write all the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41. Is it a prime?
43, I think.
What about 41? 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 87, no, 89, 89,
897.
93, 94, 95, 97.
97.
Yeah. Okay. So we think these are the prime numbers. Now let's create a list with the first two prime numbers. List 1 is equal to 2 comma 3. And now we'll check for let's say num1 is equal to 4, and we'll check whether 4 is a prime number or not. Can you enable line numbers in idle please? Okay. How do you check whether num1 is a prime number? Check if num1 divisible by 2. So num1 percentage 2. Okay, before we do that, can we create a boolean flag called is prime after line 4? After line 4, we'll create a boolean flag called is prime is equal to true. Is equal to true. So if num1 percentage 2 equals 0, then is prime is equal to false. Is prime is equal to false. Okay. Now we'll check if num1 percentage 3 equals 0. If it is 0, then is prime is false. So you can stop here because next number is 4, which is anyway. Okay, so can we print? No, now we'll check. Wait, we'll now check if is prime is equal to true. If is prime equals true, then we will add num1 to list1. List1 dot append bracket num1. Okay, and we can print list1. Yes. So the now in this case list1 will have only 2 and 3. Yeah. Very good. Okay, now can we copy this entire block from line 4 to 11? Line 4 to 11, we'll copy that and we'll test for 5. Enter. We'll check now with num1 is equal to 5, and we need to add one more check if num1 percentage 4 equals 0. is prime is equal to false. Is equal to false. So now, hmm, okay, so we should get 2, 3, and 5, right? Yeah,
Yes.
very good. Okay, now let's copy that entire block and check for num1 is equal to 6. Let's check for num1 is equal to 6. And we'll add one more block for checking if num1 percentage 5 equals 0 is prime is equal to false. Very good. Now we should get 2, 3, 5 only. Yeah. Let's add one more block to check for num1 is equal to 7. Num1 is equal to 7. And let's add one check for comparing if num1 percentage 6. If num1 percentage 6 equal 0 is prime is equal to false. So we should get 2, 3, 5, and 7 now. Very nice. Okay, now let's see if we can optimize this code further. Can you save this as one next file? Okay, let's look at line 39 to 48. Can you add a empty line after line 37 and empty line after 49? Sorry, I think we'll do it after this and remove this. Yeah. Now look at the blocks from 40 to 48. Is there a condition for a for loop?
Yeah.
Can you bring the cursor to the point which is changing? So what is the start, stop, and step value?
2 comma 7 comma 1.
Yes. Now make a for loop. For I in range 2 comma 7 comma 1. Take only two lines and do a tab and change 2 to I and remove the extra line and remove 42 to 49. Remove line 43, 42 also. Yes. Now run this, you should get the same value. Okay. Now let us put an empty line after line 25 and one other one after line 34. Okay, look at the blocks line 27 to 34. Is there a condition for a for loop?
Yes.
Bring the cursor near to what is the start, stop, and step value?
2 comma 6 comma 1.
Yes. So now for I in range 2 comma 6 comma 1. Shift the two lines to the right, change it to I, remove the unwanted blocks. One more line, yes. 2 comma 5 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7, yes. Okay, good. Let's add one empty line after line 14 and after line 21. Is there a opportunity for a for loop?
Yeah. 2, 3, 4. You
Yeah,
can
so what is the
do
start, stop, and step value?
2 comma 5 comma 1.
Yes. Now let's make a for loop. 2 comma 5 comma 1. Two lines shifted to the right and number 2 change to I, empty line delete, extra blocks, two blocks deleted, one more extra line, one more extra line deleted, and run 2357 should come. Yes. Now let's look at the block, upper block. After line 5, enter. After line 10, enter. Now look at these two blocks, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is there a candidate for loop?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what is the start, stop, and step value of this?
2 comma 4 comma 1.
Yes. Okay. Let's see the output. Okay. Now let us look at these four blocks. Uh, put an empty line after line 3. Okay, let us look at blocks 5 to 11, 13 to 19, 21 to 27. Bring the cursor to the point which is changing. Okay, what is the start, stop, and step value?
4 comma 8 comma 1.
Yeah. Is there another place in this code segment which is to be replaced?
Yes.
Yeah, so there are two places where you have to replace. Since I iterator is already used, we will use J.
G.
So what should be the for J in range? 2 comma 8 comma
4 comma
4 comma 8 comma 1. Yes, and let's change 4 to J at two places and delete blocks line 14 to 20 carefully. Then 15 to 21, then 17 to 23 only. Yeah. Now let's run this. Let's remove this space also. Yeah. Okay. Now we have prime numbers up to 7. Can we get it up to 20?
22. If you want 20, then you have
Hmm.
to go 21.
Yeah. Very nice. Can you go up to 50? Show me. 51. Very nice. Can you go up to 100? Okay, very good. Can you save this file and create a function? Let's create a function after this called def get prime 1, get prime 1, left bracket, right bracket, without any parameter, colon. Yeah. Let's put the print statement within the prime for now, within the function. No, one more. Okay, okay, fine. Yeah, we can remove this line 4. Now run the program get prime 1 in line 14. Very nice. Now let's create one more function called get prime 2. Let's copy line 3 to 13 and no, 3 to 13 only, and put it after that function, after this function. Now let's call this as get prime 2, but here we'll put a range range, and here we'll call this as range plus 1. Yeah, and 101 we'll call it range 1 plus 1. Okay, now here in line 27 we can call it with get prime up to 50. Get prime 2 up to 50, and maybe one more get prime 2 up to 20. Okay, so first we are calling get prime 1, which is for 100, and other is for variable. Yeah. The first line is up to 100, second line is up to 50, third line is up to 20. Yeah, I think with this we have completed the prime number program. So thank you very much.